Creatic graphic design editor. So flyer, wallpaper, poster maker. Create any design, flyer, wallpaper, poster template. Instantly edit any scene. Easy and powerful editor. Remove background. Create curved text. Use vector and paint tools. Creatic is an easy-to-use, powerful graphic design editor, perfect for anyone looking to create stunning social media posts, flyers, collages, logos, wallpapers, and more. Whether you're selling online marketing digitally or sharing social media, Creatic has you covered. Get your design superpowers today. So here you can just tap get and then just double click to install it in here. And then you can just see it like that. So yearly $20 per year, weekly $5 per week, and then you can just create all of this like profile pics, posters. So this is not like, maybe it's an AI app, but this is not AI generator. This is also not like just like a Reels maker, I guess. But if you want to have some really creative poster with your image, there are really cool templates in here. So for example, you can find all these templates for birthdays, for some sales, for holidays. Really nice, just some cool posters which are getting a lot of engagement on Instagram and social media. So that's kind of the idea of this app, just a collection of templates which you can use. Unfortunately, everything is under subscription, so you need to pay. And then they don't allow you to exit the payment screen, which is like, all right. So then you have settings, and that's the idea.